dispatcher, the U10715, 716. Welcome home, fellas. Signal back to me. You're stopped. Over. Thank you, guys. Careful going home. Over. I did. Dispatcher.
FIU 10715.
Come in. U10715, 716. Over.
I go over this briefing with here.
Radio.
Lead in is 716, followed by 4558, 3134, 154, and 3056. Teever and Smith on duty 0850. Dispatch bowls at 51307. Train information got 225 empties, 0 loads. 5607 on the tons. 11778 on the length. Special horsepower, yes, no defects. Fuel in the leads, 4510. Not a key train, no restrictions. Work to be performed in Covington. PTC is good, trip authorized is good. DP equipped, no. Data inspection, yes.
I understand. Good horsepower. Be all fueled up when you leave. Got work at Covington. As soon as Brian gives me them blockers back, I will get you moving. Might be a slight delay there, a little more. I don't think it'll be bad or anything. Got the man out lighting switch heaters. Gonna get off here to cross that little more. Open up our arrival when you get to Covington, do your work, and I'll put you in some stacks. Over.
I understand. Got permission to open up, do my work here at Covington, and you'll let me know when I can blast off here.
Yes, sir. That's right. Thank you. Dispatcher's out. Dispatcher, Jacksonville, Loba.
FIU 10715, over.
Come on in, U10715, locomotive 716, over.
Sir, we have everything set off, everything's lined and locked back. As soon as I get enough air built up to do it on-off, we'll be ready to blast off and go to Hinton, over.
Alright, everything's restored. You're getting your air, how much you lack and how fast it's coming up, over.
About 6 more pounds to do it on and off. It's coming up a little slow, but it's only like 20 degrees here.
Yeah, I figured. Alright, then permission to leave from where you stand when you get ready. I'll see if this chief will get a call on it at Hinton, over.
Understand you should come up and partake of our snow. I
moved to Huntington there with the railroad a few years ago, and then when they closed that down, moved out of there. I had my fill of it. I'm good right here. Over.
We're going to see what the drive's going to be like going home when we get to Hinton.
Yeah, everybody in my family except me, I had 2 daughters. Everybody had a car, 4 cars in the family. I was the only one that didn't have 4-wheel drive, and it was fun. Over.
Yeah, I'd say it was. I'm sure they're dropping like flies in Hinton right now.
I'd say, I don't know if Hinton's anything like Huntington. They don't have enough money to put no salt down or nothing.
We got salt, they just don't want to come out in it.
Yeah, that's the way it was in Huntington sometimes. If it wasn't a school day, they didn't bother the salt in the roads. You know, if it snowed on the weekend, that was just the way it was going to be.
Yep, and it's Sunday and tomorrow's a holiday, so I don't expect it to be a whole lot done by the time we get there.
Yeah, I hear you, bud. Well, I'm going to run you down there like I mean it. I hope you're have good luck getting to the house. Over.
I appreciate it. Straight shot over the hill. Over.
Straight shot. There's one in the yard there at Hinton trying to work his way out, but hopefully he'll be on double track out here to meet your son. Over.
I understand possible hold back there at Alderson, but other than that, should be straight run.
That's right. Over.
Hey, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem. Dispatcher.